Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to block Quora emails. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Quora email. Here tap on Quora. It will navigate you to this interface, Quora app. So here you can see this kind of interface. Now go to the profile icon that is located on top left corner and tap on settings. It will navigate you to this interface. Next, tap on email and notification and tap on email. Next, tap on Quora digest. Here it is turn on, tap on it and turn off it. Now you will not get any mail from Quora. So in this way you can block Quora emails. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.